Hello there, my friend, and welcome to day number 10 of this 30-day content marketing strategy. I'm a third of my way there, right? So are you following me? There's a link in the description if you missed any of the videos to a playlist where you can actually go through it. And what you want to do is you want to just clone what I'm doing and make it your own, because this here is going to help you build a relationship with your target audience and generate leads and sales for your business, right? So if you are interested in learning from my seven-figure coaches and mentors, then you want to stick around to the very end, because I have an exciting gift for you, okay? So today, what you need to talk about in relation to your business is your unique selling point. What is so unique about your business? Why should somebody join your business as opposed to other business opportunities, okay? So in regards to the Legacy Builder program, right? The unique selling point is actually, I think it's revolutionizing the way training programs will be done in the future, right? So this program is not a course. It's not a course that you pay for, you download, or you get access to, and it's just static. It's the same, right? Years on end, right? It's not that kind of course, because the online space, the digital space is changing so fast, right? So the difference between this program and any other program on digital marketing is that it's actually live. It's a living, breathing, live, interactive coaching and mentorship program, okay? What I mean by that is when you become a member of this program, you get access to live coaching and mentorship from six-figure earners. These are people who've used the same program, the same system, the same training to go from 0 to 6 figures, right? And they're here to take you by the hand and walk you through exactly how they did it, right? But they don't just preach to you, right? They actually unmute you, allow you to ask any questions that you might have, which is relevant to the training at the time. And they put us into breakout rooms where we can brainstorm and help each other out to apply what we're learning. Okay, so this is so amazing. It's you, and even though you get monthly, weekly interactive coaching and mentorship, you only pay one time for the program, right? And you get access to this ongoing training and coaching membership. But wait, there's more. Okay. Not only do you get access to the static site where you get access to all the step-by-step training showing you how to build a sustainable digital business, you also get access to ongoing live coaching and mentorship. But the other thing that our seven-figure earner, millionaire, Michelle does is she actually sends you a video every single day where it's like she's there beside you, walking through what you need to do that day, the mindset that you need to have, what you need to work on, right? It's extremely powerful. Now what I want to do is I want to share with you the proof of all this that I've said to you, right? So when you decide to become a member, you get access to 2 membership sites, not 1, but 2. One of them is a static membership site where there's training in there, and you get access to more training, of course, and you get access to that training on an app, so you can learn and earn on the go. And then you get access to a second app and a second members training area, which I'm going to share with you. This is just a bonus, right? This is just the cream. If the program that you paid for is a cake, you get access to that separately. This is the cream on top of the cake. So this is what I'm going to share with you, okay? I'm not sharing with you the actual program that you get. That's separate. I want to focus on this video on the cream, the bonus that you get, a second members area, okay? So here, let me firstly go over to members, right? So right now we have 37,044 members. When Michelle started, she had a goal 5 months ago of having 1,000 members, right? She has 37,000. Congratulations, right? And then we have a calendar, right? Remember how I said we have live interactive coaching and mentorship? Let me show you just this week here, right? So on Monday, we had coaching from Amy, who's a 6-figure earner, right? Coaching us through exactly what she's done and what she does, what she did, what she does still today. Technical support calls. These are, you get step-by-step training on how to set up your system once. And if you're terrible at following instructions, you can actually pay for them to do it for you. But if you don't want to pay for it, you can attend this technical calls, unmute yourself and ask your questions, okay? Yesterday, we had this legacy builder training. And then we had a mindset coach. She has been on Netflix. She's worked with celebrities, even the Olympics in France. She worked coaching people. She was actually here with us coaching us yesterday, because 90% is mindset, right? We have access to the same tools, the same resources. The people who are making it have a different kind of mindset. Today, we have at 7 o'clock, we have Cecilia, who's another 7-figure earner, who's going to be mentoring us. And then we have another technical call there. So all this is live, ongoing every single week. You can see the calendar here for August, right? And it shows up in your time as well. Here, this is a bonus area. This is where you get access to your 90-day videos. So day 1 to 30, day 31 to 60. We're on day 50, where we get access to video, where Michelle is talking us by the hand and walking us through. We had a member who said after watching this video, he got inspired, he took action, and he actually made a sale after that. Here's a recording of all our tech calls. Here we have recordings of all our mentorship, where our 6-figure earners were mentoring us. Here we have a content vault. You can download this content onto your computer and then upload it onto your social media sites. You have social media training. This training is from members of our community, 6-figure earners, showing you what's working today, what they're doing now, what they've done, okay? Unmute yourself, ask questions, they're there. Mindset training, 6 figures in 6 months, or we have 36 members of our community who've earned 6 figures with us, right? So here they share and give us tips and all that. We have resources to help us promote the webinar. And then here we have 90-day legacy run. That's another 90-day, okay? So this, again, is just a bonus site. It's the cream. It's not actually what you get. So you see here, this is reminding me that I have a mentoring call in 59 minutes. So now it should be 6 o'clock. Yep. So at 7 o'clock, I just have to click this and I can access that link, okay? So let me see. I just want to give some shout out to our members of our community. I'm going to focus on the financial wins. 148,000 rands in 5 days, a whooping 150. Congratulations, Melanie, by the way. She says, I'm blown away. I'm still excited like a kid at Christmas, right? Congratulations, okay? I'm looking for financial figures here. Diane, 1 hour ago, $600 ding during my live today. I'm just feeling wonderful. Congratulations. Mindy, 14 hours ago, unexpected $900 legacy builder. Yeah, I hope you understand the power of automated business, right? Tonight, I got home from bringing my godson a birthday gift. So she went to give her godson a birthday gift. And then she just like, oh, let me just check my Stripe. And there she was. She made $900, right? That gift was paid for, right? Zinle is the 10th millionaire in South Africa. I just have to share her story here, right? When I started this journey just wanting to make $600 a month, that's about 10,000 rands, I had 0 followers, 0 sales, and 0 background knowledge. I used my rent money to purchase. 3 months in the business, I quit my job, changed zip codes, bought a BMW cash, made 6 figures in 2 months. She even bought 3,000 square feet of commercial land for her kids, right? Then she went back to her job and actually bought shares. So then she became the boss of her bosses, right? Absolutely amazing. Congratulations, Zinle. So inspiring, okay? Money, I did it. Yay. That person went live. Marcella, 11 hours ago, $900 legacy builder. Not only am I stoked at this huge win today, on day 20, right? She's 20 days in, she's made $900. I'm more stoked to show my customer the best of the best training resources and strategies, because that's what we have here, right? Without breaking the bank. Tiffany, 11 hours ago, she's sharing how she had a video go viral with 23,800 views this morning. Congratulations, you go girl. Daryl, Christopher, 56 minutes ago, he says, $900 ding, great way to start off the day, right? And then gotta love a great product with a powerful automated system. And then here he shares his screenshot there. Congratulations, Christopher. Well done, you. Jenna, 5 hours ago, ding, ding. $300 ding today from Barry from our conversations. Barry is going to do an amazing journey. Congratulations, Jenna. Cardell, 5 days ago, first of $100 mini, right? Congratulations on you. Thankful Thursday wins. Da, 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 da. Ding from Botswana, 7 hours ago. Faith said she made $100 ding yesterday, and that's her second customer from Botswana, right? So that's $100 sale in Botswana is a lot of money, make a difference, okay? Chesley, a day ago, second $300 ding. She made two $300 sales. That's $600 day thus far. Congratulations. Onye, $1,200 Sunday with no promotion. $1,200 Sunday after lunch, and I haven't promoted this business in over 3 weeks because I'm working on my 2 coaching packages. So she's creating coaching packages because that's what we actually learned to do and still earning, okay? Kim, 5 hours ago, $100 ding while on vacation. Congratulations. He's feeling blessed and excited, right? So what we have here is a proven step-by-step blueprint that you can use to go from having no technical skills, no experience, no following, no list, to actually earning a sustainable income online, okay? However, you have to be coachable, you have to be teachable, you have to follow simple step-by-step instructions, and you gotta you gotta plug in to our training, to our community, okay? I do this on a daily basis. So what I wanna do is I wanna invite you to grab your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. Click the link below to grab this copy, right? Be sure to put your best email, because I'm going to send you, when I send you the guide, I'm going to give you access to a private free version of our community. That community I showed you, that's full of paid members. We have a version that has free members. I'm going to give you access to that so you can see more testimonials. You can link them, ask any questions, and feel free to respond to my email, right? Let's have a conversation. Let me help you see if this is the right fit for you, because it's not for everybody, right? I'm more than happy, shoot a video like this, answer your questions, share my screen, and go through anything that you need to know to help you make an informed decision, okay? I have been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. If you found value, smash that like button.